welcome back to my channel. Hello, what's up? So in today's video we are what? Huh? Hint? Huh? What is that? This is the brand new Patrick Starrr MAC x Patrick Starrr collection. Super pretty packaging, first of all. So I'm going to be doing swatches of the piece of the collection that I have from this collection for you guys. We're going to be kind of going over and reviewing it and talking about it. I'm going to be doing a full tutorial on it, and that's that. So if you want to just see the tutorial, you don't really care about the review, just skip ahead. But if you want to see the review, then please just keep on watching. So this is the Me So Fleek collection from the MAC x Patrick Starrr. I guess it looks like they did kind of like gift boxes for each of the pieces. So there, if I'm getting this correctly, I think there's gonna be 2 of these boxes. It's available in North America, April 19th, 2018. There's going to be 2 packages of products that look like this that are going to contain 4 pieces of the collection. So this one that I have today is called Me So Fleek. So it has the blue and pink and purple eyeshadow palette, one of the beauty powders, a hot pink lip gloss, and a purple lipstick. The other one is going to be more of a natural color tone. I'm gonna insert pictures from Trend Mood or from any page that I can find that shows you guys what the other colors and stuff are going to look like, but it looks like it's going to include more of like a purpley and nude kind of color. So there's the Sweet Mama Starr lipstick, the Mama Starr Kiss lip gloss, the Stay With Me eyeshadow palette, and the I'm Not Blushing powder duo. So that one has more of a bronze and peach color. The eyeshadow palette's more purple, the lip gloss is nude, and the Mama Starr lipstick is a pink. So with that being said, you guys, that is what is in the collection. These are going to retail for $49.50. So this whole package together with the 4 pieces is going to retail for $49.50, so $49.50. I think that's a pretty good price for 4 pieces of MAC. So I'm excited to get on with this tutorial. Let me swatch all of these really quick on my arm for you. It's gonna be a really easy swatch because there's only really 4 products. And let's do it. So here is the eyeshadow palette. This is the Play With Me eyeshadow palette. It has 4 different shades inside. The packaging is really pretty. Let me take this plastic off so you guys can really see the colors. The packaging is super girly and pretty. I'm really loving it. It's very different for MAC, very floral, very spring. Let me swatch these colors for you. So this one is called Living in Pink, just a super pretty pink with a gold shimmer. The next color that we have is called Hickey, just a really bright pink. Then the next color is called All's Rosy. This is kind of like a matte mauve-y purple pink. The final color, which I'm super excited about, is called In the Shadows, and it's this bright shimmery blue. This one is the Take Me Home powder blush duo. And as you can see, there is a lighter shimmery pink and then more of a purple pink. So here are the swatches of the blush duo. Kind of similar in color. One is clearly a little more pink than the other, but probably looks super pretty mixed together. Then we have the lipstick and the lip gloss. Packaging is so pretty on the lipstick. I absolutely love the light pink and gold together. Let's swatch these 2 for you guys. So the lipstick is called Hey Boy Hey, and it is a matte purple. Almost looks kind of like a flat out Fabulous. And then the lip gloss is called Queen P. Absolutely stunning, this lip gloss. I am not really a pink person, but these two colors are really beautiful. So now that you guys have seen this whole collection swatched and the packaging and how beautiful the packaging is on these products, we're gonna move on to the tutorial, and we're gonna start off with the eyeballs. So my eyes are already prepped, primed, browed with the Paint Pot in Paint Relief from MAC and the Anastasia Brow Definer in medium brown. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes, and the first color I'm gonna be picking up from this palette right here is going to be this shade, this light purple shade, and this one is called All's Rosy. So as I'm applying this, you guys, this collection is definitely, I'm just like looking at this palette and it's so suitable for much tanner skin, but of course you can make it work if you have lighter skin. Just the way that the products are used, so as you can see, Patrick is really, really tan, and the products are used kind of like, this is a really good transition color for him. And then the light pink is really great used on the inner corner. And I feel like it might come a little too pink out on me, but we're gonna try to make this work because just like the style and just the style of this look is absolutely beautiful. So I'm actually going into the beauty powder into the purple, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of that to what's on my eyes. I'm also gonna take a tiny bit of the pink and just blend it right here. So I really think that this blue is gonna be fine on its own because the pigmentation is freaking amazing, but I'm gonna add a little bit of my Milk Makeup eye pigment underneath just so that we can really, really, like, I want it to be blue. I'm gonna put this blue shadow on just to kind of see where we're at. So it's definitely there, it definitely shows up, but I tell you guys, I wanna see blue. Like, I wanna see B-L-U-E. Do you guys just see how much more that color pops? Oh my God. That is exactly what I wanted. As you can see, we have quite a bit of fallout here. To be honest with you guys, fallout doesn't bother me because you can just wipe it away. I'll grab some makeup removers in a bit and just wipe this off. Just in this case, definitely know that there's gonna be fallout and make sure to use a makeup remover wipe to get it off, and also do your eyes first. Really need a matte cream color right on the lid. So I'm gonna take Peach Cream from the Too Faced White Peach palette. And I'm just gonna use that on the brow bone to kind of help blend that purple transition a little bit better. Okay, you guys, so we had some trouble with blending in this episode. I don't know what was going on, but these Too Faced shadows and these MAC shadows were just not blending correctly, and they started just turning into a muddy mess, and I really, really didn't like it. So I went ahead and took off just the transition part of the eyeshadow and kept all of the blue, and I redid it with some Too Faced eyeshadows as my transition. Used a little bit of the purple and the pink from the MAC palette. I think that if I did this just in a different order, it may have came out a little bit better, like doing the white color on the brow bone first and then going into the transition color, but we didn't do it that way, so this look is going to look a little bit different at the end as it did in the beginning. I think that the transition colors in the MAC palette may have just been a little too dark for me, for my skin color, being that I'm just so pale right now, and I think that next time around I would have just probably blended them a little bit less at a time. So blended just a little bit less of the pigment in the crease, and I think this eye may have came out better first time around. But with that being said, just know that that's what I did. that's what happened. So it's a little jumbled in this all together, but basically just blend your favorite purples in the crease and then move on to that blue on the eye.
Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season.
So now that we've applied our primer and our foundation, we're going to move on to concealer. This is the Born This Way Concealer in Light. I'm going to apply this to all of the highlight areas of my face and go a little overboard with it because why not? I'm going to set everything with my Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Park Ave Princess Bronzer to give me some bronze. And of course for blush, we're going to be using the Blush Powder Duo from the MAC Patrick Starrr collection. Just going to swirl my brush around in both colors. For highlighter, I have this guy right here. This is the Beauty Bakery Illuminator So Icy. The color is called Iced. I've never used this before. So this is a new one thrown in here. So I'm going to add blue shadow to the bottom. So this is where I'm going to use the hot pink color. To add a little bit more of that pink into the eyes, I have this eyeliner right here from a company called Beauty People, and it's from their Snow White Special Edition collection, and it's called Glimmer Burgundy. I'm just gonna apply this to the waterline. For the inner corners of the eyes and the brow bone, I'm gonna be mixing together this pink shadow and a little bit of the highlighter that I used. For the lips, I'm going to start off with MAC's lip pencil in Vino. Then I'm going to use the MAC Patrick Starrr lipstick in Hey Boy Hey. And I'm just going to line the outer part of my lips. And then I'm taking the lip gloss and I'm just going to put it right in the middle. Alright guys, so this right here is the finished look. I did go ahead and add a little bit of a purple shadow right in the crease, and it's from this palette from Too Faced. It really just made the look pop more, and I think it's just because I have such a lighter skin tone that the other shadow was looking a little bit more cool tone on me, and I wanted that warmth, and I was having some difficulty of doing it with the pink, but the pink looked good underneath my eyes. Long story short, you guys, I did the best that I could with what we have here. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial trying out the brand new collection with Patrick Starrr and MAC. This is the final look. Comment down below what you think about this new collection with MAC Cosmetics. Also, don't forget to subscribe to me right here and check out all of my other reviews and tutorials right here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!